Natural hair is your pretty privilege, and one of the ways you can use it to your advantage is by monetizing it. As with any other type of pretty privilege, it opens doors of opportunities for you, and you can start attracting your dream life from just wearing and styling your God-given hair. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you ways in which you can monetize wearing your natural hair. And without further ado, let's get into all the tea. Hola. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. And if you're just seeing this hot chocolate for the first time, hey, this is Tinuola, and right here I share valuable content. So if you like the vibe, please subscribe down below. I know this video is not for everyone, and I just want to quickly put a disclaimer that you don't have to monetize your natural hair. This video isn't for everyone to monetize their natural hair, but if this is something you're interested in or would like to explore, then this video is for you. So please keep watching. First of all, what I mean by natural hair in this context is afro hair or textured, kinky textured hair, basically type 4 hair. As you know, our hair type and hair texture is very unique, and this is something that for so long has had a negative stereotype, but that is changing. Since the natural hair movement, we've gotten to embrace and style our hair more and even wear it in public spaces, which in most cases is usually a head turner because Afro hair is simply beautiful. And I spoke more about how our natural hair is our pretty privilege in this video, so you can check out my previous video. One of the things natural hair movement did to us was to really call for inclusivity, especially when it comes to brands and, you know, in the media spaces. And we've seen a lot of content around natural hair and promotion of natural hair, but we still have a long way to go. I mean, there's a lot of room for growth. We are not where we want to be yet, but that's where you come in. For inclusivity to really happen, these companies need people to wear their natural hair and come and showcase it, right? So that is where you come in. The truth is, if we don't style or promote our natural hair, no one is going to do it for us. But the more we wear and promote our hair, the more opportunities will be opened up to every black girl with kinky hair. Black women will be able to style and wear their hair confidently to their workplaces without any sort of fear. Hair care companies will have to step up the quality of their products and employ more black women to be involved in that process. Natural hair extensions will become readily more available to us because there will be increased demand for it. So we can all agree that these things are already happening, but there's still a lot more room for improvement. I mean, there's a lot of opportunities that we've not even tapped into yet. So that being said, how can you make money from wearing your natural hair? The first is by being a hair ambassador. Like I said previously, many companies are coming up with natural hair care products, and if you have a long, thick natural hair, this is a perfect one for you. You get to sign a long-term contract with the company, and you know, this could be for some months or years, and you get paid obviously because most of the time it's going to be exclusive to that company in that period of time, and you also get free products. You go for events. Basically, you're like the face of the company as the ambassador. The next on the list is being a hair model. So this is different from being an ambassador. As you know, they are models for anything. You could literally be a hand model, a face model, leg model. There are different types of model, including natural hair models. So modeling is different from being an ambassador because you are being hired to appear for photo shoots for the company's products, product launch, or just their website pictures. You know, as a model, you don't have to be in a long-term contract with any of these companies, and you can literally work with any other company. There's no exclusivity as a hair model. The third on the list is being a hair content creator, and this is categorized into 3 categories. The first one is being a hair blogger or writer. You know, if you like writing, if that is something you're actually good at, you can have a blog where you share your knowledge about natural hair. It's always good to also share pictures of you styling your natural hair because that is more believable. As your community begins to grow, you get to make money from that. Same with being a YouTuber or a hair influencer. You create videos around natural hair care, growth, styles, and you get paid for this. The only thing is this process takes a while, so it's not an overnight thing, and you actually have to be passionate about it because this is your brand, right? And the third category is being a UGC creator. So being a natural hair UGC creator means that you're going to be creating creating content, not just for people for your personal brand, but for mostly companies. So companies are going to hire you to like review their products or create content for their social media page, for their websites, for advertisement purposes, where you're just showcasing, using these products. And for that, you don't even have to have a very, very full hair, because I know anyone watching this could be like, oh, what if I don't have a full, long, natural hair? I also don't have a full, long, natural hair, but I know I've been paid to create content styling my natural hair. So the good thing about being a natural hair content creator is that you don't have to focus on like everything. You can just focus on one part of natural hair. It could be just styling your natural hair. You could focus more on styling natural hair extensions. I'm talking specifically type 4 extensions, like 4C hair extensions. People want to learn more about these things. People want to learn more about clippings, extensions, or even other hairstyles that you can do. So you can focus on that aspect of content creation even without very long, thick natural hair, as long as you have natural hair, instead of focusing on other aspects like, oh, this is how I grew my hair to waist length, because obviously you can't relate. You're not there yet. So obviously you wouldn't create contents like that. The next on the list is hair consultation. So if you wear your natural hair out a lot and you know how to style it, and people usually compliment you and ask you questions around, how to style your natural hair or how to grow your natural hair, definitely consider doing a consultation, because people can pay you for a 30-minute consultation, 1-hour consultation, just to learn more about styling their hair. And you could even retain them on a longer term base. Like if someone is dedicated to growing out their natural hair and they really need hands-on help, or they need like a coach or something like that, you could provide that service for them. So natural hair consultation is a cool, easy way to make money. The next is being a hair product retailer. So once again, if you wear your natural hair a lot and it looks good, you know how to style it, or you just basically wear your natural hair and it's healthy and people like you in your natural hair, they're going to ask you questions about what products you're using, what is your hair care routine like, stuff like that. So if you're interested in buying and selling, or you have a sales background, or you want to open up a store, you can actually open up a store in your area, especially if people around you don't have much access to natural hair products, or you can sell online as an e-commerce. So basically you're being a natural hair retailer, selling products that are designed primarily for natural hair, not just hair care products. It can also include natural hair extensions. The last on the list, but not the least, is being a hairstylist. So if you are very good with styling your hair, once again, people give you compliments about how beautiful your hair is, and you don't mind styling other people's hair, then consider being a hairstylist. Not everyone likes styling their natural hair. Some people find it time consuming. Some people are not that good with styling their natural hair, and not all hairstylists can actually style natural hair. So you might have noticed that there's been a rise in natural hairstylists, people that are actually focused on helping you care for your hair, helping you style your hair. So that's actually a good way to make money, and not just like styling just your afro hair. People actually want to learn how to make like dreads. They want to be able to make twists with their natural hair. These are styles that actually take a lot of time and they're very expensive. But the best way to promote your service is by actually styling your own natural hair in public. Natural hair is a conversation starter. You're going to get the head turns, you're going to get the attention, you're going to get the conversation rolling. So if you're one of those people that quickly grow out your natural hair, your hair looks healthy, or you know how to style your hair and you need a side hustle, sis, this is a sign. This is a sign that you should actually look into this. Once again, it's not for everyone. You don't have to always monetize your pretty privilege or your hair privilege. But if you want to, I hope this video was helpful in one way or the other. If you feel like you don't even know where to start from and you need more assistance, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm gonna leave my details in the description box. I hope we continue to embrace our kinky Afro textured hair. As Black women, we need to continue to embrace our hair and promote it in the best light. And if you enjoyed this video so far, learned a thing or two, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, friends. I'll see you in the next one, but until then, keep shining. Bye.